www.pressurewasherbits, Qwashers, eBay, Q Services Limited. What we've got here is a 240 volt cold Mac Atom XL. They do this in different variations. This model is the automatic stop start, 12 litres a minute, 100 bar. Got a quick look round, great machine. A Nova Reverbia pump on there. Fantastic for the valeting market, car washes. Pulsar 4 unloader valve in place on an A&R pump. Machine's running at 1450 RPMs, 3 horsepower motor, soap at high pressure with the built-in water tank. On the other variation of that machine, that can be set up for bypass without the automatic stop start or with the automatic stop start. Pressure gauge, high pressure outlet and your water inlet. Thermal overload protection switch to protect it. Any fault on the electric, it will automatically knock itself off. To restart, you'll have to press the button, start it back up again. Soap at high pressure, another great facility, and that is the 240 volt Mac Atom. That's also available in the 415 volts as well. Thank you very much. Q Services, www.pressurewasherbits, Qwashers, eBay. Thank you.